In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Mysterious Camera in Sakura Stand. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Mysterious Camera is an item acquired from boxes or by being bought from Aldi's shop. It is quite rare and it is usually used to get stands. So, if you open boxes and you don't get it, you can consider purchasing it from Aldi's shop. It is going to cost $1,500, so keep that in mind. It is quite expensive. Now, like I said, the Mysterious Camera is going to be used to get stands. So once you have it on your inventory, just equip it, hold it, and you will be able to use it. So if you are standless and you use the camera when the season is summer, you will get summertime. So summertime is a stand that can be obtained if you use the standless Mysterious Camera while the current season is summer. You will be able to get custom attacks like Fire Palm, Fire Fist, Fireball, Heat Wave, Solar Ray, and Virtual Sun, which is the ultimate, and you will be able to use this stand. Now, if you are standless and you use the camera when it's raining, you will be able to get Rainy Time. Once again, they have a custom move set, so stuff like Striking Rain, Water Rise, Surf, Bubble Beam, Water Gun, Waterfall, and you will be able to see the stand beside you. And finally, for the winter time, if you are standless and you use the camera when the season is winter, you will get the winter time stand. You will see the move list, Ice Breath, Ice Spike, Ice Blade, Ice Choke, Hail, and Snow Brave, and you will be able to get all of these abilities as soon as you use the Mysterious Camera when the current season is winter. You can get either of these three stands, and you just have to choose according to the season when you play Sakura Stand. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Mysterious Camera in Sakura Stand. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.